In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery, or COD, as a payment option on your Shopify store in this comprehensive 2025 tutorial. Many customers prefer COD, especially when they want to see a product in person before making a payment. Offering this option can potentially boost your sales and attract more customers. Let's go through each step to implement this on your Shopify site. First, we'll begin by navigating to the principal area where you can adjust your store's settings. To get there, look toward the bottom left of your Shopify admin dashboard, and you will find the Settings option. By clicking on this, you'll open up a menu that covers a range of customizable features for your store. Once you've opened the settings, locate and select the Payments section. This is the control center for everything related to how your customers can pay for their orders. Once you're inside the Payments section, you'll see a variety of configurations for different payment gateways. Here, our focus will be on manual payment methods. These are alternative ways for customers to pay besides using credit cards or digital payments like PayPal. To proceed, look for the manual payment method settings where you'll have the chance to add a new method. Click on Add Method and you'll see an assortment of manual payment options displayed. Among these options, select Cash on Delivery. This is what will allow your customers to opt for paying at the time they receive their purchased items. After selecting Cash on Delivery, you'll need to input details that will guide your customers on how to proceed with a COD order. This could include any specific instructions like the acceptable types of currency or conditions they should be aware of before payment. Make this information as clear and concise as possible, as it ensures both you and your customers have a smooth transaction experience. Once you've filled in the necessary details, the final step is to activate this payment method. You can do this by clicking on the Activate button. With this step, you've successfully enabled the Cash on Delivery option for your Shopify store. It's now ready for your customers to use, and it will appear as an available payment method during their checkout process. And just like that, you've set up Cash on Delivery as a payment option on your Shopify store. It's an excellent way to expand your payment options and meet the desires of customers who may be more comfortable with traditional methods of paying for goods. Remember to monitor how this option is received and be ready to address any questions or concerns your customers might have. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your sales.